The soaring number of COVID cases comes an increased demand for testing. This morning, we're learning that President Biden is planning to set up federal testing sites in the city. Kayla Mamalak is at one of the city's testing centers in Elmhurst Hospital in Queens. What's going on there, Kayla?
Well, Rosanna, this morning we're learning a huge part of President Biden's COVID announcement later today will center around testing. Now expected to announce 500 million rapid at-home testing kits will be shelled out to the public for free. And cities like New York here could also expect to see new federally run testing sites. The plan is to do away with massive lines like this one here. Elmhurst Hospital opened for testing just a few minutes ago, but all these people you're looking at have been waiting online for well over an hour.
It's going to be a very challenging few weeks.
Grim warnings and unnerving flashbacks as New York becomes a coronavirus hotspot once again. More than 15,000 positive cases reported in New York City alone yesterday, a new single-day record. And for the fourth consecutive day, New York State broke its daily case record with more than 23,000 cases. The dizzying spike, health officials say, fueled by the Omicron variant.
That just shows how fast and formidable the Omicron variant is.
The Centers for Disease Control says the Omicron variant is now the most dominant strain of the virus in the country, accounting for nearly 3/4 of COVID cases. But Mayor de Blasio says the light at the end of the tunnel may be closer than it seems.
The good news is, based on what our healthcare leadership understands at this moment, we are talking about a matter of weeks. We're going to see a really fast upsurge in cases. We're going to see a lot of New Yorkers affected by Omicron. So far, thank God, based on everything we've seen so far, the cases are more mild than what we've experienced.
Still, the lines for COVID testing are crisscrossing the city.
We're seeing unprecedented demand for testing, and we're doing more per capita testing than any other city across the United States.
Officials say nearly 24 mobile sites will be added to city streets in coming days to meet the demand. They also plan to distribute 500,000 at-home test kits. Statewide, there are similar concerns.
Just yesterday, we had, talk about tests, 258,000 people were tested yesterday. That's incredible.
Governor Kathy Hochul saying 10 million free at-home tests will soon be available. And on the national front, later today, President Biden is set to address the nation on his plans to combat this latest surge.
For those who choose to remain unvaccinated, he'll issue a stark warning and make clear unvaccinated individuals will continue to drive hospitalizations and deaths. That is not trying to scare people, or maybe it is trying to make clear to people in the country what the risks are here of not being vaccinated.
Back out here live in Elmhurst, as you can see, the line for COVID testing wrapping all the way around the hospital. And again, this facility just opened moments ago. President Biden is also expected to announce later today the readying of 1,000 military medical personnel to be sent out to overburdened hospitals. That likely won't be necessary here in the city, at least not yet. The hospitalization rate in New York City is less than half of what it was this time last year. So, Rosanna and Bianca, there is a bit of silver lining in all of this. For now, we're live here in Elmhurst. I'll send it back inside to you guys.
All right, Kayla, thank you so much for that.